Panasonic has once again raised the bar for micro four thirds cameras with the Lumix G9 III, a hybrid powerhouse that could make even loyal full-frame users stop and rethink their setups. This camera isn't merely an incremental update. It's a complete reimagining of what a hybrid system can do, blending speed, versatility, and professional-level performance into a surprisingly portable body. The design philosophy here is simple: give creators a tool that delivers world-class results while remaining light, ergonomic, and rugged enough to endure long days in the field without compromise. At the heart of the G9 III lies a newly engineered high-resolution micro four thirds sensor. While some may still question the effectiveness of a smaller sensor, Panasonic has long demonstrated that image quality is about more than just sensor size. This latest sensor promises cleaner high-ISO performance, improved dynamic range, and incredibly sharp detail, allowing photographers to capture crisp, vibrant images in challenging lighting conditions. Even at ISO 6400, noise is remarkably controlled, giving users flexibility in post-processing without sacrificing image integrity. Colors are rendered naturally, vivid yet not overdone, which is a boon for both landscape and wildlife photographers who want images that pop while staying true to life. One of the standout advantages of the micro four thirds format is its crop factor, and the G9 III leverages it beautifully. Telephoto lenses suddenly become far more reach efficient, with a 300mm lens acting like a 600mm lens, all while maintaining image quality that rivals some APS-C cameras. This makes it particularly appealing to wildlife and sports photographers who need extra reach without carrying heavy, cumbersome gear. Stabilization has always been a critical factor for both photography and video, and Panasonic has taken it to another level with the G9 III. The camera features an upgraded dual system that combines in-body stabilization with lens stabilization to deliver up to 8 stops of correction. For handheld video or low-light photography, this is transformative. Imagine walking through a forest shooting handheld or capturing a long exposure sunset at a full second and getting tack-sharp results without a tripod. Hybrid creators, those who need both stunning stills and smooth video, will find this capability revolutionary, as it removes the need for heavy gimbals or time-consuming setup. Simply turn on Dualis, and you're ready to shoot. Autofocus has also undergone a massive upgrade. Panasonic's new phase hybrid autofocus system, enhanced with AI-powered subject detection, can track eyes, birds in flight, moving cars, and even fast-paced children, maintaining focus with precision that rivals Sony and Canon systems. Unlike the older contrast detect autofocus, this system anticipates movement, keeping subjects locked and ensuring photographers never miss critical moments. For action photography, sports events, or wildlife, this is a game changer. No more hunting for focus or losing the decisive shot. The camera seamlessly maintains subject lock from frame to frame. Video capabilities elevate the G9 III from a strong hybrid camera to a true powerhouse for filmmakers. It offers 6K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second for slow motion capture, all using internal 10-bit color codecs. This removes the need for external recorders, making it easier to capture high-quality footage on the go. Panasonic has also pushed the limits of dynamic range, offering more than 13 stops of latitude, giving users the ability to recover highlights and shadows with cinematic flexibility. This makes shooting in challenging lighting like bright midday sun or dim interiors far more manageable. For filmmakers, this means capturing flat, gradable images directly from the camera, with minimal banding and noise, even with a smaller sensor. The micro four thirds body ensures this is possible without the fatigue of carrying a large full-frame setup for hours on end, allowing creators to stay mobile and agile. Durability and ergonomics are another major focus for the G9 III. Panasonic has built this camera to survive harsh environments, making it fully weather-sealed, dust-proof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof down to -10 degrees Celsius. Whether you're shooting a wedding in pouring rain, hiking across freezing mountain terrain, or working in the humid Amazon rainforest, the G9 III can handle it without hesitation. Its body is designed with careful attention to user comfort, a deep, ergonomic grip that locks securely into your hand, buttons and dials positioned intuitively, dual card slots for added security, and a fully articulating touchscreen for shooting from any angle. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder is bright and clear, even in strong sunlight, solving one of the issues many photographers have struggled with in earlier MFT models. Speed is also a defining feature of this camera. It can shoot continuous RAW bursts at an astonishing 60 frames per second while maintaining full autofocus and subject tracking. That's not just fast, it's almost unfair. For wildlife, sports, and action photography, this capability ensures you can capture fleeting moments with absolute precision, something that previously might have required a full-frame system with a much higher price and weight. The G9 III isn't just a camera for professionals, it's built for any creator who demands reliability, speed, and versatility. Hybrid photographers who frequently switch between stills and video, wildlife and sports shooters who need reach and agility, and run-and-gun filmmakers looking for high-end video specs in a compact body will all find this camera suits their needs perfectly. Even casual shooters who simply want a dependable, all-purpose camera that can handle everything from travel to street photography will appreciate the balance of portability and professional features. For those considering an upgrade from the G9 II, the G9 III addresses many long-standing pain points. Autofocus performance is significantly improved, video capabilities are expanded, and sensor performance has been enhanced, making it a meaningful step forward rather than a minor tweak. Panasonic has carefully refined the system to solve core complaints while maintaining the lightweight, versatile advantages of the Micro Four Thirds format. This isn't about competing with full-frame systems head-to-head. It's about embracing the strengths of MFT compactness, speed, and adaptability while delivering world-class performance. The G9 III proves that you don't need a massive sensor to achieve professional quality results, offering creators the freedom to move, adapt, and create without compromise. Ultimately, the Lumix G9 III is a statement piece in Panasonic's lineup. It combines advanced autofocus, industry-leading stabilization, high-resolution video, and exceptional durability in one compact, versatile package. It's built for creators who refuse to slow down, whether capturing wildlife, shooting cinematic sequences, or simply exploring new photographic possibilities. The camera balances professional power with portability, making it a compelling choice for anyone considering a shift to Micro Four Thirds or weighing the convenience of a smaller system against full frame alternatives. It's a tool that enables creativity without restriction, letting users focus on storytelling rather than equipment limitations. Panasonic has created a camera that's not just an upgrade, but a complete redefinition of what a hybrid system can do, proving that MFT cameras can compete at the highest level and deliver the versatility, speed, and reliability that modern creators demand. With the Lumix G9 III, professionals and enthusiasts alike gain a tool that allows them to capture extraordinary images and videos anywhere, anytime, with confidence and ease.